Coconuts are harvested for large-scale processing primarily in tropical countries such as the Philippines, Indonesia, India, Sri Lanka, and Thailand. These countries manage coconut plantations with regular weeding, fertilization, and pest control to maintain healthy trees. Harvesting is typically done manually by skilled climbers using ropes or cutting tools, although mechanical methods like hydraulic lifts are also used in advanced plantations. In regions where coconut plantations are located near rivers, massive quantities of coconuts are often transported to processing factories via boats. The boats travel directly to the factory piers, where they dock and unload their cargo. At the factory pier, the coconuts are offloaded using cranes, conveyors, or manual labor, depending on the size and equipment of the facility. This direct delivery system minimizes handling and transportation time, ensuring that the coconuts reach the processing facility quickly and in good condition. Large quantities of coconuts are efficiently managed using a combination of conveyors and manual labor. Workers are stationed along these conveyors to inspect and sort the coconuts, removing any that are damaged or do not meet quality standards. This initial sorting ensures that only high-quality coconuts proceed to the next stages of processing. The conveyors then transport the sorted coconuts to various processing areas within the facility, where they undergo dehusking, deshelling, and further processing into products like coconut oil, milk, and water. After the coconut flesh is extracted, it is first manually cleaned by workers who remove any remaining husk fibers, shell fragments, and impurities. This initial cleaning ensures that the flesh is free of major contaminants before it undergoes further processing. The manually cleaned coconut flesh is then placed on conveyor belts and transported to automated washing stations. Here, high-pressure sprays thoroughly clean the flesh, removing any finer impurities and ensuring a high level of hygiene. After the washing stage, the flesh may undergo blanching, where it is briefly immersed in hot water or steam to sanitize it and deactivate spoilage-causing enzymes. The clean flesh is then shredded or grated into smaller pieces using specialized machines, producing either fine shreds for desiccated coconut or larger chunks depending on the product requirements. For coconut milk and oil production, the shredded flesh is mechanically pressed using hydraulic or screw presses to extract the milk or cream, which is then further processed to separate the oil. For producing desiccated coconut, the flesh is typically shredded or grated into fine pieces. However, to produce coconut chips, the flesh is sliced into larger, thin pieces. The shredded flesh is dried to a low moisture content to extend shelf life while retaining its flavor and nutritional value. For coconut chips, the slices are dried until they achieve a crisp texture. The drying process is carefully controlled to ensure consistent quality and prevent over-drying or under-drying. The packaging process for coconut milk and water involves a highly automated system designed to handle large volumes efficiently while maintaining product quality. After extraction and processing, the coconut milk or water is pumped into automated filling machines equipped with multiple heads to fill hundreds of cans, bottles, or cartons simultaneously, ensuring precise volume consistency. The filled containers then move along conveyor belts to sealing machines, where cans are sealed with seamers, bottles are capped, and cartons are folded and sealed securely. Automated labeling machines then apply labels accurately, detailing product information, nutritional facts, barcodes, and expiration dates. Sealed and labeled containers are grouped and placed into boxes or crates by automated case packers, configured for various packaging needs like 6-packs, 12-packs, or bulk cases. These boxes are then stacked onto pallets by automated palletizers, wrapped with stretch film for protection, and labeled for shipping. The process of making natural organic coconut sugar is quite different. It is done with harvesting the sap from coconut palm trees. To extract the sap, skilled harvesters climb the coconut trees using special knives and cutting tools. Once the incisions are made, the sap slowly drips from the cut flower stalks into collection containers, usually attached to the tree. The coconut sap undergoes a heating and evaporation process to remove excess moisture, resulting in a thick, syrup-like consistency. This concentrated sap is then cooled and stirred until it crystallizes into granules, forming natural organic coconut sugar. After the coconut sap has been heated and crystallized into sugar, it is transported to a factory for final processing and distribution. The crystallized coconut sugar is first sifted to ensure uniform granule size and to remove any impurities. It is then weighed and packed using automated packaging machines into bags, jars, or bulk containers, depending on the distribution requirements. This efficient and large-scale process transforms coconuts into a diverse array of products, meeting global demand with high standards of quality and sustainability. The industry's ability to integrate natural methods with modern technology highlights its significance and innovation in the